ATB Tarot Psychic Channel. I'm a Brazilian psychic. All my readings are done with the spirit guides and tarot cards. I see that some of you are praying. You pray for God. Each one of you are trying to have God blessings because you have faith and you know that you deserve what you are asking for. Most of you will have a very spiritual experience. You are going to feel chills. You are going to fall asleep. You are going to dream with your spiritual mentor. And you are going to feel energetic. You are going to have the sensation of a very high energetic vibe. And you will feel the power of your manifestation. So now, it's the time for you to manifest. Manifest what you really want in life. It's time for you to wake up and to see the meaning of yourself in the world. You are going to sweat. Suddenly, you are going to start feeling like hard breath. You feel as you are connected with the afterlife. Suddenly, you begin to see that your life is changing. In unexpected things, your life begins to take a totally unexpected turn. Your life begins to take a totally unexpected turn. Listen to me, my dears. I'm trying to tell you, video by video, day by day, there is something that God is preparing for you. And it is something that you are manifesting. And it is something big. And I will explain why you here have all the possibilities in this world, in this time, to be a billionaire, to be very rich, to have power. Some of you have done things in other lives that were huge for humanity. In a way, you helped human beings. You help all God's creation. I don't know what each one of you have done in your previous life. If you don't believe in lives before this life, it is something that you have done in your childhood. I don't know. But what the spirit guide is telling is that now, this time, this life, in this world, you came to receive blessings and miracles because the universe wants to thank you all you have done for God's creation. So you have to think that you are a millionaire. You have to think that you have great house, great car. You have to think you have great health. You have great love. You have great family. Because all your thoughts are in connection with the energies of the universe. And all your thoughts are your true manifestation of what you want. So if you are sitting in a couch, watching ATB video, and telling whoever is next to you, oh, this lady is always talking about money, but money is not for me. I have nothing. That's what the universe is going to listen. And that's what you get. Nothing. But if you are watching this video and says, well, ATB is telling that I'm going to be a millionaire. Yes, I will, because I can. I deserve. I receive. I share. And I'm thankful. I'm not here speaking that you are going to be a billionaire if I'm not sure about it. I don't do this for all the signs. I am a psychic. I work with the connection with the spiritual world. I am a master in numerology. I am a master in astrology. I know what I'm telling you is the truth. If you manifest and you find out your proposal here in this world, you will get the money you want. And money is something good. You don't have to pay attention on people that says, oh, money is not important. Love is important. Of course, love is important. Love is everything. God is love. But money is important as well because you can make things with money that love can't. If you are in a hospital and you need to pay for a surgery, you cannot pay the surgery with love to the doctor, to the hospital administration. You can love them, but you cannot pay your surgery with love. Do you understand? So this is an old idea. God creation is beautiful. God created a world that is beautiful. And God wants us to enjoy his creation. So God is a father, a holy father, who wants each one of God's child to be happy, to have health, to have love. God doesn't want his child to live in misery, in poverty, dying because doesn't have money to buy food. So take out of your mind, love is important. Above all, money is important to survive. Health is important to survive. So now, start thinking like a billionaire if you want to be a billionaire, okay? Because there is one thing that we need to learn in this world, that is to receive, to be able to receive all the blessings and to be able to deserve. Sometimes we think we don't deserve. If anyone here in the world, one single creature, is capable to be a billionaire, why can't you? Why can't you? If there is one person in the world that can be the winner of Mega Million, why can't you? If there is in the world one person that is able to have an idea and to invent one iPhone and be a billionaire, why can't you? We all can. We are all God children. We can everything we manifest if we have faith. And if in our journey we do whatever we have to do with love. That's the secret. That's the difference between being rich with faith under God's rules and to be rich with a pact with the evil. That doesn't work. So this is a message, and it is a special message that I'm doing for your sign to manifest. So let's get up now from this couch, look at the sky and say, I can, I deserve, I receive, I share, I'm thankful. And we all deserve to have money, health, love. We deserve to have a beautiful family. We deserve to have a beautiful house. We deserve to be loved. Please subscribe, share, give me a like. This message must go around the world. It is very important for me if you share it. Thank you.